it's crooked. Oh, the other side is a mirror.
The cat goes meow.
That was great, huh, Stan? He's on one. He's trying to get 1 foot down, but you see, it's too wide.
Baby, that's okay. He doesn't.
Oh, he's reaching. Oh, whoa.
It's like, where's the other side of this? I like it better.
Woogie, you keep getting your ball underneath it. Go get it. Go get your ball. Go get your ball.